Amunyina afishia pebi asehia na de edi kan mi da munyina ase me hwe odo amuyi de di kiremia na ne me pese mi kenyina ne se nyame nhira o bebi a obia na afensu me mpaye ne se ne eda wakoma so a nyame onyanye ye no afi nko na wieye ananso se afi ye besimi oma de eda wakoma so ne mbrem se be a wonso woni de bewie peye so am na ne de nyam no ba beche eye classic coleslaw na matuni din say a textured coleslaw because your mom dey be tina me friend sana so we no parties no Christmas ebeko we no dey ya na me kan say must have on your dining table no we dia ntino je wakonya senior original me kan no na me fa dey wa enchiro enti dia me wa ha say red cabbage so na we nso white cabbage enti half na wa say we red onion and we nso white onion so me use ni nyina bateni and we red apple na we green apple ubetimi use apple bia leftover me wo ho ntino dia me wo bia me use ba ma apple no enkom na manai kama and we say hey texture na ho na eko we normal carrot here in enemy so and we red carrot and we yellow one so and we say no me turn pack na wo mu say ya so red ni yellow and orange ni na bomba ko entiano ni nyina nso de kama and we say me finger chillies no mo frɛ no so entiantia we me dikitu ebi and beka ho na ma ne keke nice ntia try hwe and we nso natural yogurt so watch me video na homemade one so we nso salad cream and we say mayonnaise. And to one said, "Them all a simple name. Name one look at we in our boom, a quail, and tea, near fashion as well." And they said, "There me and Nana sent me to training in an affairs." And to only feel like I mean, we are no one is our far or grater, so I'm no dear tree night as I come at home. And to say, my great in your money in every so I'm not me macono any red onion in Sunia, me for half each, so I'm. Na di ni nyina eguso so nti mekoni nsu nti mekoni me fa mienu nti sane wo pani bia na de aka na de ka ho e kama nti a try hwe so na afese say apple no wo last wa nti de bia bomodin say apple no unye no na be no last ka sa na ye kokko apple no me di ne hunam ni nyina e ka ho so na no so wetu ni nyina ansa Bomodia so be to chow apple no last. Well, we na will be a beam. So I was it's now the fork ne be apples in him. So Sebe out come from me na there. To made me tongue the air toss in afra. Wash it. And even ye neck or come home. Until baby, I made read yes, so a vegan, so I'm on far mayonnaise new in front, not a beer. So I shop now, vegan one, they bet me at to bet me say apples, a money yet they come out. Until vegan for growing a minimum one aid you. Mom was me a vegan, yet do. Oh, and they say, "Me not try yogurt, and I'm the pussy as well." The natural yogurt, I 5 tablespoons, and I'm the pussy. Now mayonnaise, so yeah, 4 tablespoons, and a salad cream. The open cake, and near 1 tablespoon. So. Yafe no akanini na afra. They say baby, I made now the pinch of salt. Keep to this one. Keep to don't pet big blue. Not touching me. Okay, now I come and use one. I have fine. Tina honey dear. So mine is now me may use no open more. Wait me the be a can buy so crying be womb fun. So Nti baby I made you home my family dish I made me the fridge into way no and yes I will no 25th no so we had the sewa and the money yet day into wait me on 23rd and I said 24th and so you see with tables so I know where we want to meet to tear to my feet. Yeah, cheers. For Cassania. When we go Cassa, I call now, most of my main come. Is ready, Mary. I call now, oh, I come into wait a simple recipe, but more than I saw better try. Now try being swap, more than Moyati. No be done a comment, no send a call. Then they didn't be away here one answer, but more than I said, Christmas way here. So we shall originate. Woman stress free. So your new money be CC honor. Nenya me I don't want what mean a quality time with the family. I love you and God bless. Now so subscribe to this channel, but more than subscribe.